Call center ka rin, Sak? Saki? Sak?
Spotify.
Spotify? Spotify. Sorry, nababasa niya. Spotify, sabi niya. Spotify. Anong basa mo, Sak? You read again. Saki. It's not, it's Spotify.
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 Spotify lang.
Spotify.
Arte mo naman kasi masyado.
Spotify. Spotify.
Okay.
Ay, kumakanta siya.
Serena.
What? Ano bang kanta yan?
Ano music yan, Sak?
Run.
Ano ka?
Alright. Alright. Starting.
Starting daw. No.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Read mo ha, magbasa ka lang dyan.
Oh, you read.
Basa mo yan, basa.
Oh, read na, Sak. Saki, you read.
Basa.
You've signed out of birthday.
Wow, you've signed out.
Signed out of
Work?
Ito.
It's so good. It's to close. I close the window.
Grocery. Galing naman.
Sign in.
Sign in.
Dito ay sign
Galing.
in.
Okay, you read. Basa ka dyan. Call center ka rin.
Ito, basa mo to, basa.
Jamila.
Hi, Jamila.
Your train to which you in Boston Teams.
Oh,
Microsoft
Microsoft
Teams.
Teams. Oh.
Ano
Alright.
ba?
Alright.
Ano pa ba? Ito.
Now, please see your syllable for this week.
Schedule. Tama yung for this week niya.
Tama yan. Tsaka yung please see yan.
Please see.
Ayun na pala, meron na pala akong trabaho.
Oh, ano, Zach? Hindi ka pa matutulog, Zach?
XD.
XD mo.
X games. I know your game side.
Okay. Oh, so you say hi. Hello. Hi, everybody. Good evening. You say hi.
ST.
Zach, tell them what to...
ING.
ING.
ING. PAT.
Ano?
Bird. AND.
Ano? You're listening ba? You're still listening pa rin?
Tagitsik.
Tagigs. Binabasa niya.
Tagitsik.
Oh, sige na. Ano? Are you done? Richard is...
King Kong.
King Kong. Richard is... King Kong. Hello. No, don't do that, Saka. That's a bad, That's bad. Don't do that.
Max.
Uy, sabay mo naman ako, Rick.